let's go for a holographic makeup tutorial today. Let's see how to paint the holo oil slick lips with a spooky twist. Since it's spooky makeup month, it's Halloween just around the corner. However, that spooky part can easily be eliminated and you can just recreate the holo lip makeup and wear it, for example, for a Christmas party. Can you imagine that? You know, all sparkly and with holo lips. So without further ado, let's see how they're done. First things first, outline your future holographic lips with a grey liquid lipstick. You can overline them a bit if you want a bigger canvas. And after that, go for the spooky part, paint the horns. So if you don't want the Halloween part, just don't paint those. Make them wavy like unicorn horns would be and fill them in with white, grey and black liquid lipsticks as the bases so that you can then transition from dark colors to light colors and pigments smoothly. Take some pigments, eyeshadows, duochromes, multichromes, just metallics, whatever you have at home, and start applying the darker ones on the bottom and the lighter ones on top. And then outline the horns once again with liquid lipstick to make them like unicorn horns, only there are two of them, so it's like a devilish unicorn. Paint the eyes if you are going for the spooky Halloween makeup part, and then fill in the rest of the lips with the grey liquid lipsticks. So if you're not going for the scary part, you just start by filling the lips with the grey liquid lipstick. After that, apply the same pigments on top of the grey liquid lipstick, you know, the duochromes, the multichromes, just the metallics, to give this kind of a holographic, you know, very shifty kind of look, that the lips are very colorful. Then, if you are feeling adventurous or want to stay spooky, paint some mermaid scales and fins on the bottom of the bottom lip and fill them in with darker pigments. You can also color them with a dark lipstick to make the base darker. Outline them once more to make them stand out. And with the eyes, if you painted those, make them rainbow with liquid lipsticks. Don't forget to add a white lens flare so that they look more alive. And there is your spooky holographic lip, or not spooky, depending on what you decided to go with. Maybe that's your Christmas lip. And as for this makeup that I have right here, which is also obviously done for Halloween, I already have the tutorial on my channel. If you want more ideas, of course I have them. Just check out this playlist for more makeup tutorials. See you there. Bye.